like, leave, leave, run, run, think, buy, let, start, finish, play, show. Let's use these words in the sentences. Like, I like coffee. I like tea. Do you like your job? Leave, I live in Yerevan. She lives in Los Angeles. Where do you live? Run, I run every morning. He runs with his sister. Can you run fast? Think, I think you are right. I think it's a nice house. I think she is happy. Buy, I want to buy a car. Let's buy some coffee. Don't buy this cake. Let me help you. Don't let her go. Let me buy this dress for you. Start. The movie starts at 5 p.m. Don't start that conversation. When will you start your job? Finish. I'll finish my work soon. Let me finish my breakfast. I want to finish my work today. Play. I play tennis. Let's play a game. I play the piano. Show. Show me your house, please. Show me what's in your hand. Can you show it to me? Let's check what you have learned. Like. Leave. Run. Think. Buy. Let. Start. Finish. Play. Show.